Alright, now I'm going to be teaching you your harmonic minor scale. Alright, your harmonic minor scale runs in this format: your first degree, your second degree, flattened third, your fourth degree, your fifth degree, flattened sixth, and your seventh. Alright, first degree, second degree, flattened third, fourth degree, fifth degree, flattened sixth, and the seventh. Alright, I'm going to be playing on the key of C major. Alright, I'm going to be playing on the key of C. And this is what you're going to have it to be by playing your harmonic minor scale. So it's going to be sounding as do, re, mi, fa, sol, si, ti, do. Alright. Alright. Do, ti, si, sol, fa, mo, re, do. Right. Your harmonic minor scale runs to be alright. Alright. Okay. That is your harmonic minor scale. Thank you.